I would like to take also a few minutes just to explain the role of the autonomic nervous system in the influence of anxiety. As you may know, the autonomic nervous system has two branches, right? The sympathetic, responsible for fight or flight and raising your, pulse and so that you can start acting. And the parasympathetic, which would be like the brake pedal in your car, saying, whoa, calmos, relax, okay? Donc, they're both working together. And in the kind of life we have nowadays, with the speed being so fast, faster than ever, well, what happens is that we have an over-representation, over-involvement of our sympathetic nervous system. And so we're more impatient, we do everything very quickly, and we have more anxiety in our society. Every technique that can help bring back the parasympathetic in the driver's seat, as a leader in our autonomic nervous system, will provide amazing results. Not only to decrease anxiety, but also because one is calmer, the relationships are doing better, you're not as impatient, you're not ignoring the other one anymore because you're too busy. You have time to listen, nurture your relationships, nurture yourself.